a digital reality for millions. To you, a Saturday vibe is at a cafe or a mirror selfie in your uniform. But to someone watching, it's a GPS coordinate.
We live in an age where sharing is mandatory. But every time you share your school schedule, your gym routine, or a gate to your subdivision, you are handing over a key to your life. You're giving a stranger a map to your front door.
Ask yourself, if a stranger in the campus walks up to you and asks for your home address, would you give your personal information right away? Of course not. But your digital footprint tells them anyway. Remember, you're not totally safe kapag alam ng lahat ng mga tao ang bawat kilos o bawat galaw mo.
Our laws in the Philippines are made to protect you. Under the Republic Act of 10117 or the Data Privacy Act of 2012, you have the right to be informed. Your face, your location, and your schedule are your personal data.
If someone uses that data to track or harass you, remember the Republic Act 10175, the Cybercrime Prevention Act. But remember, the law is a safety net. Your only shield is the digital boundaries you're set to take.
And don't forget the RA or Republic Act 9995 or the Anti-Photo and Video Voyeurism Act. Privacy isn't just about you. When you post a video or something online, responsibilidad mo rin dapat ang privacy ng mga friends mo, ng mga classmates mo, mga magulang mo, or anyone na kakilala mo na na-capture sa background mo.
So what should you do? Practice the 3-hour rule. Never post your location in real time. Wait until you have safely left the area before you hit share.
Scrub your background before you upload. Check for the street signs, house numbers, or identifiable landmarks. If it tells us when you're exactly where you are, crop it out or blur it. Small details save lives.
And the most important step, audit your circle. If you don't know them in real life, then they don't belong in your digital life. Go to your settings and make your account private.
Alam mo ba? Alam mo ba? Hindi ako... Uy, yung cute ka pala sa uniform ng URS. Kapag-pick na.
Morning rundown! Best part about living sa subdivision na to is the view.
Sabay shot!
Nakaganto, nakaganon. Ano?
Pwede, pwede.
Ayoko ka na. Paano? Tingin lang ako.
Or Lars.
And don't forget the RA or Republic Act 9995 or the Anti-Photo and Video Voyeurism Act.
Your location, and your schedule. To you, a Saturday vibe. The story that you just watched isn't just a film. It's a digital story. Oh, come on.
But your digital footprint,
School schedule, your gym routine, or the gate, your subdivision gate.